Hi everybody, just a quick video for those of you that are linking courses. One thing to remember when you link courses is that anything that is universal for the course will be just one drop down or one thing. So for example, in this course, Marketing Society, I have the two sections linked that I teach on the same day. Under grade setup, I can come in and do all this as normal. What is important to note is that when you go to Power School, okay, when you go to Power School, you will notice right away section 2. Okay, this is important because if you don't do this, what I'm going to show you here in just a minute, you may run into errors with your grade books not syncing. Again, this only applies to those teachers who decided to link courses. So assessment to assessment, finals to finals, homework to homework, ungraded to not graded, and class projects to projects. I'm going to click and save changes. And again, once this comes through and confirms with us as good, so we've got all our configurations saved, you'll notice though when I select over to section 3, these will not be here. Okay, so it's super important again that you recognize the fact that if you are linking courses, you do have to come in and do, for Power School, for sync grades and for configuration, you do need to switch to the actual grade book that you're using. So this is the only part so far that I have found where other than also the actual grade book when you're grading, that you will run into an issue where you need to alternate or choose the section you want to do. All right, so hopefully this is helpful, and see you soon.